everyone, today I want to show you this makeup tutorial inspired by Itzy Ryujin's makeup look in Mafia in the morning. So now, let's get started. I'm going to start with the base makeup by applying a foundation all over my face. And I choose the shade which is one shade lighter than my skin tone color. And then I'm going to cover up my dark circles. As you can see, the purplish line under my eye is gonna make the eye makeup look ugly if I don't cover it up. And then I'm going to draw my eyebrows. I'm going to make the shape a little bit curved to make it look like Ryujin's eyebrows. And for this look, I'm going to make the eyebrows a little bit darker. Next, I'm going to contour my face. The nose part is really important, especially to make the makeup look good in the camera. Let's move on to the makeup. I'm going to apply this light peanut color all over my eyelids as a base eyeshadow. And for the main color, I'm going to apply this orange color onto my eyelids and blend it evenly. And then I'm going to apply this yellow shadow onto the one third of my eyelid near the inner corner. And then I'm going to mix a slightly purplish maroon with dark brown eyeshadow onto the one third of my eyelid around the outer V. And then I'm going to blend it inwards evenly and make sure there is no visible hot lines. And then I'm going to apply this warm tone peach color onto my lower lid. Now I'm going to line my eyes with a black pen liner and make a cat eye. Next, I'm going to apply dark brown eyeshadow onto my lower lash line. Make sure to apply gently so that you don't poke your eyes. And apply the same color onto the outer V to create dramatic effect by using a medium eyeshadow brush. Next, I'm going to finish off the eye makeup with mascara and false lashes. For the blush, I'm going to mix the shading powder with a coral color to create a soft gradation on my cheeks like this. For the lips, I'm going to create a nude orangey lips. I'm going to mix a brown lip tint with a reddish orange lip tint to create that color. Makeup is done. Alright, that's it for today's K-pop inspired makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoy watching my video and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. If you have any requests or any question, you can just leave in the comments below. Okay, I will see you in my next video. Bye!